Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate saving Excel sheets as PDFs with continuous numbers by using VBA code. This technique will help you streamline your workflow and ensure your documents are consistently named. So, for example, I have an Excel form called Sign-in form. What I want to do is to start from number 1 and save to PDF, then change to number 2 and save it. Change to number 2 and save it. Normally, what we're going to do is we start from number 1, then maybe save by using print and saving to like Microsoft Print to PDF, then hit print, then come back and save, change that to number 2, then print and save it again. By doing this manually, it can be time consuming and you will cause some errors. So in my Excel sheet, I have buttons that once I press that, I can run my VBA code. So let's do some demonstrations. Once I press that, and I want to save those PDF files in one of my folders. This folder is in desktop. There's a folder called Sign-in. And once I click Save to PDF, by click that, you can see my VBA code help me to create the PDF files just in 1 minute. And you can click one of the PDF. And you can see the VBA code already put the continuous numbers in the file names and print that in PDF correctly. So how can we achieve that? So first, open your VBA code editor. You can go to your develop and click Visual Basic buttons, or just simply press Alt plus F11. And you can copy this code. I will provide underneath a description. So let me explain some of the detail. So first part starts the declaration of new variables. So those part. Then disable the screen update. Then set the worksheet as my sheet name called Sign-in. So here's my sheet name called Sign-in. Of course, you can customize this sheet name, but just remember to change that the sheet name align with the VBA code. Then next, define the folder path you want to save those PDF files. Here's the folders in my desktop, and there's the folders called Sign-in. Of course, you also can change the folder path you want. The next, I have a loop through functions. Let me put this side by side. the meaning of these look-through functions. First part, there's a variable called I, and I want the I numbers start from C5. C5 right now is number 1, and to C8, which is 20. So means I want the variable I start from 1 to 20. You will look through 1 to 20. Then next, I will put C5, cell C5 as I, right now is number 1. Then create a PDF file names with my folder path. Then with my name, I'll call that sign-in plus I, means if I print the first one, the file name will be sign-in and 1, followed by .pdf. The next functions is print out functions. I will let Excel know what's the range I want to print out. So the range is from A1 to H47, means I want Excel to print this whole page for me. Then followed by export as fixed format, and the type is PDF. Then file name is my PDF file names. Then just put the quality is like standard quality. And that's it. And once you proceed this one, Excel, the VBA code will look through from number 1 and print that as PDF. Then change that to 2. Then loop through 2 until it reach cell F5, which is number 20. And once we finish our VBA code, we can go back to our Excel sheet. Then you can create a button. Press insert. Then press a button. And you can assign a macro for that one. So in my, and change the name to change it, save as a PDF. And that's it. You have now automated the process of saving Excel sheets as PDFs by using VBA. This can save a lot of time and ensure your documents always consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.